I'm often asked, does stress make your hair fall out? And the short answer is yes.
अगर मुझे स्ट्रेस है तो मुझे वो कौन से 3 काम करने चाहिए जिससे मेरा स्ट्रेस रिलीव हो? You may have tried a number of shampoos and hair oils because of the hair you are losing. This hair fall related stress may be giving you even more hair fall than you actually know about it. Today I'll be revealing shocking truth regarding stress and the science behind you losing a lot of hair every day. In the end, we would be discussing the most characteristic features of this stress related hair loss and what all you can do for it. The most comprehensive treatment for stress related hair loss. Do press the like button and let us dive into it. Hi, my name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I work at Saraswat Hospital, Agra. I am an ABHRS certified, that is American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery certified hair transplant surgeon, and I have been giving my services to Saraswat Hospital, Agra for past more than a decade now. The symptoms you may be facing are sudden clumps of hair in your comb or hairbrush after you comb or hairbrush your hair, then visible thinning of hair either on the top or on the crown, the show of scalp which is there. It may be gradual but it is there. The third symptom could be that your hairline is receding. So hairline पीछे जाती हुई, show of scalp top पे या crown पे, and losing a lot of hair in the comb. If you are vigilant enough to see these features, you may be stressed out as well. So let us consider what stress is doing to increase your hair fall. If you have any questions regarding hair loss, or you want a consultation for hair transplant, or you have any other question, you can write in the comment section below. According to studies, stress हमारे बालों को 3 तरीके से इफेक्ट कर सकता है for hair loss. One is that it increases telogen effluvium, which means, see, hair is in a natural growing cycle. Anagen phase, which is growing phase, catagen phase, in which it is sort of club-shaped hair, which is going to rest now, and resting phase is telogen phase. Telogen phase के बाद नीचे से नया hair grow करना start करता है, and the telogen phase hair is shed off. What stress does? It shifts a lot of hair which are in anagen phase. Normally 70 to 80% of my hair would be in anagen phase, but it will shift my hair, maximum of them, to the resting phase, and then gradually they will fall off. So what happens when I have stress and my hair is going into telogen effluvium? It means I'll be losing this clumps of hair. So if you are combing, you're losing a lot of hair. Maybe stress is related to telogen effluvium in your case. The second way how stress will lead to hair loss is, आपको पहले से androgenetic alopecia यानी मेल या फीमेल पैटर्न बॉल्डनेस के जेनेटिक फीचर्स हैं, या फिर alopecia areata या और any other hormonal metabolic problem के फीचर्स हैं, but they are not shown. Stress is a known epigenetic factor. What are epigenetic factors? They do not change the sequence of the genes, but they show symptoms of genetic effect. So suppose I have AGA or any other form of alopecia, but it is not shown yet. If I have stress now, the problem in me will now be shown. So maybe coin patches of alopecia areata, or male-female pattern hair loss, this is now shown in me. The third way in which stress will increase my hair loss is, suppose I'm having hair loss, then I have stress. After seeing that I'm having hair loss, again hair loss increases, again my stress increases, hair loss increases, so this becomes a vicious cycle. Stress leading to hair loss leading to more stress. How stress will cause hair loss? See, stress gives rise to increases in my body flight or fight hormone, which is cortisol in human beings. Cortisol as such is not shown to decrease hair loss directly, but studies have shown very clearly that the dermal papilla of human body, which leads to one particular thing which is called GAS6, which in turn increases the hair germ cells to make more and more hair growth cells, is disrupted. So this GAS6 is not produced properly, hair growth is stunted, leads to a lot of miniaturization and hair loss also. Now in today's world, where we have a lot of deadlines and we don't know how to cope up with the stress, usually this fight or flight is not an option at all. This may lead to various mood disturbances, depression, anxiety, and a lot of things which which we should discuss but somewhere else. Here we are more concerned with hair. Do subscribe to this channel for more such educational and informative as well as testimonial videos. Coming to the most important part of this video, अगर मुझे stress है तो मुझे वो कौन से 3 काम करने चाहिए जिससे मेरा stress relieve हो और मेरे hair loss में कमी आए. Number 1, take life easy. Start meditation, improve your lifestyle, increase the good hormones in your body. See, we all know cortisol is a bad hormone in the body. The good hormones are serotonin, dopamine, oxytocin, and endorphins. These are those hormones which will be produced when you make your circadian rhythm of waking up and sleeping according to the sun cycle. So your body clock, your circadian rhythm should be along with the cycle of the sun. आप सूरज के साथ उठिए और सूरज के ढलने के बाद अपना दिन खत्म कर दीजिए. So that your body hormones, the good hormones also come into the rhythm. Then do start some exercise. Start meditation and take life easy. Chill. Have good balanced diet. Have a good family time. All these things will improve your lifestyle and this will lead to less stress, less hair fall positively. Number 2, see your hair doctor. They may prescribe you various medications like minoxidil, which will push a lot of telogen hair into anagen hair, and maybe they give you good supportive therapies as well as medications which will decrease the epigenetic factors and improve the hair on your scalp. If all these things are not working for you, number 3 option is see a psychotherapist. Psychotherapists are your friends who will actually talk to you and they will make you calm and they will decrease your stress. They will give you certain coping mechanisms to act with, which you can always take help of whenever you are feeling stressed. If you want to know about best hair loss treatment, click the video on the left, and if you want to know about best anti-hair fall shampoo, click the link on the right.